If you ever need help with real money transfer, there are several ways to reach their customer service team quickly and easily. For the fastest support, you can call RIA's main customer service number in the US at 1-877-443-1399. The line is great for questions about your transfer status, payment issues, or anything urgent. If you're using Walmart to Walmart service, there's a dedicated line at 1-855-355-2144, available 24/7 for immediate assistance. If you prefer not to call, you can start a live chat through the RIA app or website once you're logged in. The chat is open nearly every day of the week, including weekends, and is perfect for quick questions or help with their account. For non urgent issues like updating your personal details or resolving disputes, you can email RIA's customer service team directly. They usually reply within 1 to 2 business days. And if you ever need to send a formal complaint or documents, you can mail them to RIA's customer service address in Bueno Park, California. No matter how you reach out, always have your transfer reference number handy. It helps the support team find your transaction faster and give you the help you need right away. If this helped you learn how to contact RIA customer service, hit like, subscribe for more quick guides, and share it with anyone who sends money internationally.